Can you please? Can you please?
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that?
I make this up, dog. Bro. They serious.
Is there no way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
Oof.
Oof. Oof.
Oof. Did you chew up your bed?
You are the couch. Wake up.
Oh no. We have to walk. Flight. Flight. We need flight.
What do I say? This is the vast majority of students. It was great to hear Oh, he's going for the squirrel.
And we are live from Sky Fox 1. Crackhead on the loose. Last seen smoking crystal meth out of a Pepsi can.
The boy who lived has come to die.
I got you $1. Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
Daigos.
Bro, I'm so hungry I could eat a dog.
You want broccoli? Broccoli.
She literally stopped at the same time.
Dear.
God. Okay. Ready? Sneeze. Bigger. That was weak. Give me a good one. Good job.
You're fighting asleep so bad. Oh my god. Can you see him through that? Oh, you lay down. Good boy.
Hey. Hey.
I got you something.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I love it.
Steven! Steve! Steven! Stevie! Stevie!
Ja. Groß ist es ja.
Cheese.
Bentley licked the hot sauce. Now he's mad. Look. Some more? Nope. Nope.
Paw? Thank you. Can I get paw? Thank you. Can I get paw? Can I get paw? Can I get paw?
Who went to dirt and rolled around? I thought so.
Does it scare you?
Do you want breakfast?
Here, hold on. Let me go on the other side and grab her.
It's okay. Are you so excited?
Renly, drop that stick. Drop it. Come here. Renly.
What happened to your eyes? Are you broken? What happened to your eyes, honey? Are you broken?
No. No. No.
Es mi torta, no es tuya. No, no. No, Chip, esta es mi torta, solo mía.
Oh! 踩下去，然后松开。
zona cachorro pra pegar o ar-condicionado.
Brady, what is that? Is that a bone in there? Get it! She's blowing bubbles.
A Bibi confusão aí, ó. Ai, que tá arrumando com o limpador de para-brisa. Ai.
These are words my dog knows according to my dog. Look!
Okay. Okay.
They putting in these pop cups.
Up. Down. Up. Down.
You want to go to grandma's? You want to go to grandma's? You want to go to grandma's?
You want to go to grandma's?
Trying to escape, huh, Mort? Looks like you're a little too fat for that.
What are you gonna do if I go away for 2 weeks, huh? Are you gonna miss your mama? Yes, you're gonna miss mom if I go to Japan. I know.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
Remy, what are you doing? Remy, what are you doing?
He doesn't even know.
It's 8 hours. 8 hours I have to go to work. That's it. And I'll be back.
Why? You going with her on a cruisey? What are you talking about? Layla. Layla, speak.
Bang!
Oh. Huh?
What are you doing? Oh
What the hell was that?
Wait a minute. Wait. Are you supposed to be up here? Oh my.
She eat it.
I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
I was trying to eat some breakfast, and
Leave it. Good boy.
Harold, did you poop on the floor? Oh, it's okay. You don't have to cry.
You need to hold him, babe. Oh my God. Are you okay?
True. What are you two doing?
She just started to lay on me like this and fell asleep.
My child, please. My child. Oh, you the my child. Bah.
Another day, another victory for the OG, taking down the sweats, the imposters among us.
Jenny, can I help you? Huh? What is it?
Is that your bed, buddy? Oh.
See you.
Oh my God. I swear to God, if you step on my hair one time, I'm gonna yeet you down that hallway.
No. No, stop it. Stop it. No, stop it. Stop it. No, stop.
Caesar.
Wait for the screen to go. Looking for it. Stop, Lola. Oh no.
I see a daughter. Who's my boy?
What did you do, Aries? Aries.
Yeah! Dragon super! La classe! Ah, lass pas!
Nothing happened!
Who is that? Who is that?
I missed you!
It's me and the girls.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas.
Bo, it is late. It's 11 o'clock at night. Daisy! Daisy, come!
It's bigger than he.
What is it? But what is it, Nasties?
Ewan! Hi!
Ball right there. Ready? You want to get it? Ready? Get it! 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 I got it! I got it! I got it! Yes!
What, baby?
Put you up for sale. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Have a rough day, old Ellie. Excuse you, diva much?
Who did this? Buddy.
Saliku.
Happy Wednesday, Poppy.
You cannot control me. You cannot. Okay. You can have a little control, but I'm still in charge. I can attack any minute, but you can control for like a second. Oh, that's nice. That's a spot right there.
What? Oh, my breath stink? I bet.
And then as the calendar turned, how about that? 3 wins in 6 starts. So he does have tremendous confidence, but he is also based on his brand on the we're talking about.
Oiga. No me muerda. Aguanta limpiando.
Look at what this damn dog wants me to throw.
Ow! Ow!
Stop it. Do you want your chair? Good girl. Oh, you can get it.
We're not going to, we're not taking a nap. We're taking a bath. Come on. Me.
Baby. My treat.
Are you okay? What the fuck?
Did you just wake up from your nap?
Son 4. 4 son y sus perros más. Tienen 2 perros pilbull. Ya eso.
What you been doing, Bow Wow? Huh? Come on.
Excuse me. No, Baker, get off.
Ay, mamá, mira. Oye. Date tequila. Hacete la loca nomás.
What are you doing? Ow!
JJ, do you want to snuggle? Go snuggle with Daddy. Go snuggle. You want to snuggle?
So I'm over here shooting this thing, right? And I just see somebody hop up on the tire. And you just see what happened next, so. Coco.
I'm sorry, but you cannot have any Oreos. No Oreos for doggies.